Hi guys, today we are at Powell Butte Nature Park. Recently I signed up to do a virtual run, walk, hike type thing through Virtual Run. And what that is, it's a run, walk, hike that you do wherever you want. And I chose to do it here at Powell Butte. And then when we're done, we get to open up our finisher's medal. So today's theme for the virtual run that I chose is Dog Dash. So Shorty's gonna be joining me and we're gonna be doing a 5K, which is roughly 3.1 in miles. So we're gonna walk to the top of the summit here, maybe do a loop or two, and then come back and we'll open up our medal and also take some pictures for Instagram. Are you excited? She is so overwhelmed by all the nature and other dogs. So let's get our mask on and get going. Let's hit that trail. Made it up to the top of the summit. On a clear day, there's an amazing view of Mount Hood across the way. I'm gonna switch to my other camera and zoom in a little bit. You won't be able to see all of Mount Hood because it's got some clouds, but you can see part of it and it's gorgeous. Check it out. You can kind of see Mount St. Helens. It's trying very hard to make an appearance. I'll switch to the other camera and zoom in for you guys. That's absolutely beautiful. So Mount St. Helens is on the other side of the river in Washington State. the end of our walk hike 5K. So I thought I would take this moment and open up the medal that we got from Virtual Run. Virtual Run has so many different themed walks that you can do. I chose this one because I'm a dog lover. I thought the theme was really cute. And the medal is super adorable. So I'm gonna put the packaging in there because we don't want to litter. So here is the medal. It comes with a bandana that you can take off and give to your dog. So I'm gonna give this to Shorty, and we're gonna get some pictures for my Instagram and her Instagram. So go check out both our Instagrams. Links are in the description. But here's a close-up of the medal. Pretty cute. I'm so excited. We did it. Ah.
And now it's just like, man, you gotta have that time where you just like disconnect from the scene, just the race. Like, and it's a race that I've created in my head, you know? But you have to step away from it.
We did it. We're at the end. Wow, I'm exhausted. How about you, little girl? I'm so happy we did this. What a gorgeous day it turned out to be. Wow, spring is coming and I'm so excited. It was lovely seeing both Mount Hood and Mount St. Helens, and we ran into a couple horses on the trail. That was so cool. I knew horses were allowed up here, but I've never seen them on the trails. I've seen signs of them, you know, poop, but I've never actually seen a horse, and that was way cool. What'd you think? Thank you guys so much for joining us today on our virtual run hike at Powell Butte Nature Park. We had a great day. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to check out our Instagram, and have a great rest of your day. Bye for now. Shorty, say goodbye. Tell everybody subscribe, comment, like. Okay, bye.